Howdy folks, welcome back to the channel. Today we are doing a bit of an update on what we have done on the homestead. We've got all that stuff cut up. All that right there. Plus, we gotta finish up that one there. That's got the little fin on the end of it. And we gotta get that stuff picked up. And all that picked up. We might try to get some more stuff done as far as cutting on this great big huge limb that you can see here. I'm not sure if we're going to be able to do that today, but we're going to at least attempt it. We're going to at least attempt it anyway. I want to thank you all for watching, folks. Please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any questions, please drop them down below in the comment section. Thank you all for watching, folks.